Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have my first glossy box of the year. This is the January 2018 box. Let's just get into it. Alright. Pop that open. Ew! The card is done right underneath. Right underneath this time. I'm not going to look at it because I want to see what all the surprises are, so I'm going to undo it. Ugh, what's this? Beauty Beneath. This is interesting. Expertly designed to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 60 capsules, 1 month supply. Food supplement. That's really interesting. I never expected that to be in the box. That's awesome. So it's an actual like health and beauty, or just a beauty supplement. It's got all these vitamins in them in the back. Don't know if you can see that there. Vitamin D, E, C, B6. These are all really good vitamins. So this is not bad. I might actually take this, not gonna lie. This is awesome. Improve their rating of skin texture. Okay, this is cool. I think I might actually take this. This is awesome. Right, we also have Dr. Botanicals vegan friendly Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Oh yes, I remember this from the last box. I remember seeing this. It says infused with vitamins, essential oils and botanical extracts for a brighter, even skin tone. This is awesome. Facial oil. Moroccan Rose Oil contains high levels of vitamin A and C, which aim to rejuvenate the skin, even skin tone, and reduce visible signs of aging. Almond oil aims to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin while brightening and renewing the appearance of the skin. Vitamin E aims to prevent skin damage and protect against damage from free radicals thanks to its antioxidant properties. I like this. And it's in a pumpy bottle. I am liking this. Rose is really good for the skin, and I actually need this for my skin because I know rose is good for redness and I have terrible redness, so I'm definitely going to use this tonight. We also have Green Tea Primer. Who is this by? Evelyn Evio Beauty Group. Evio Beauty Group, okay. Evio something. Prep and Protect Vegan. I believe it is a primer. That is a green tea primer, which is cool. It's sealed. Okay, let's smell it. Okay, I can't exactly smell anything right now, but it is a green tea primer, which is quite cool. I've never seen something like that before. Then we have a Apicea blush, cream blush. 99.7% natural origin of total. Okay, what colour is it? It's kind of a coral mauve. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's very natural. It looks orangey on my hands, but it's already orange. It does smell like it would be a natural product. It's almost bronzy, but it has more of a red undertone to it. I don't use cream blushes though, but I can always try and incorporate it. And last but not least, we have Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. It's one of those cool like oil in water things. It says not tested on animals. Alright, this is by Nail Medic. Alright, so we're going to read the little booklet thing. The little booklet, it's not even a booklet, the little paper. It says, have you heard of glossy credits? So when you refer a friend, you get up to £10 credit, etc, etc. So for what's in the box, it says Beauty Beneath supplements. You get this from Boots. So basically it's saying beauty usually comes from within, and the nutrients work to boost your own collagen production, fading fine lines and wrinkles while leaving your skin softer than ever. RRP $39.99. This is expensive, very expensive. Full size as well, so Well, I'm actually going to take it. I think I'm actually going to try it. It says 80% improved their rating of fine lines, 79 improved their rating of wrinkles, 84 improved their rating of skin texture. Very interesting. Okay, so we got the full size green tea primer by Evelyn Iona Cosmetics. It says a good primer is essential for flawless, long-lasting makeup, which is why we're so smitten with this. Packed with moisturizing ingredients including avocado oil and green tea extracts, it will nourish and protect your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines and large pores, and help your makeup stay put for longer. It's cruelty and paraben free too, and it is RRP £22, and this is full size. Okay, full size for £22. Just saying. Whew, it's a lot of monies. I'll definitely try it out, see if it works well with my skin. I do like the vegan stuff, the cruelty-free and vegan stuff. I do love it. So I'm definitely going to try that out, see how it is, see if it works out on my skin as well. Then we got the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil Travel Size. This is travel size. It says it is all the vitamins in there work together to rejuvenate, renew and protect your skin, or protect your complexion. Pop 3 drops onto your fingertips and gently press into the skin, keeping it feeling hydrated and supple all day long. Now this is the travel size, but the full price size it says is RRP £55. Now this is really expensive. This whole box is bloody expensive. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't wait to use all of these. This is proper stuff. I really can't wait to use this. I'm so using this tonight. I'm going to use this regularly, see how my skin looks after it. Then we have the Nail Medic Nail and Cuticle Energizer. It says if your nails are in need of some serious TLC, this reparative oil is just what you need. A delicious blend of vitamins, plant extracts, revitalizing eucalyptus and a soothing lavender to get it gets working on brittle nails, split ends and dry skin. Just massage a few drops into your nail beds and cuticles for instant hydration and stronger nails. RRP $5.99, and this is full size. Then we got the Apecia Cream Blush. If you're new to cream blush, this couldn't be a better introduction. As with all Apecia products, it is rich in organic bee pollen to nourish skin. For a subtle flush of colour, dab it on slowly and blend in, building up the colour as you need. A deep honey pink, this hue suits all skin tones. Oh, it's got pollen in it. That's really interesting. I like stuff like that. That is RRP £22, and this is full size as well. Yes, full size. And it says February sneak peek right at the bottom. Make sure your makeup doesn't let you down on Valentine's Day. February's GLOSSYBOX contains a Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Plexion, a primer, hydrating spritz and a setting spray all in one. It will brighten skin, refine pores and keep your makeup fresh and glowing. Oh, I hope I receive that. I can't wait for that. That sounds really nice. Valentine's Day. Like I'll be doing anything on Valentine's Day. I'm going to buy myself a rose like I did last year, and I'm going to lie in bed and enjoy my Valentine's Day alone. So this box was pretty darn expensive, not gonna lie. I actually am really enjoying all of these. Definitely gonna use this nail energizer. I've been doing my nails recently since I bought my little Essie nail calendar. I've just been changing my nail colour like every week, every other day, so I'm definitely going to use this because I do love moisturising my cuticles and my nails. Definitely going to use the oil when I go to bed. The cream blush, there's a possibility I might use this. If not, I'll definitely give it to my mum. The primer, I'm so going to use that. I go to work like almost every day. Now 5 days a week, so I'm going to use that during my work days. And this, I'm going to read into this before I actually try it, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and look into it properly because I really want to try it. It's 60 capsules, so it's a month. It says it takes up to 4 weeks to see a difference, so I actually can't wait to try it out. I'm definitely going to try it out. So yeah, that is this month's GLOSSYBOX, the first GLOSSYBOX of the year, which is probably why it's so expensive and so proper. Like I really like it, which is awesome. So yeah, I can't wait to try everything here. I mean, hopefully I get next month's box and I hope I enjoy it. So yeah, that's it. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.